Excuse me. I'm sorry to bother you, man, but can we step over here? Where do you know anything about these? You're supposed to get this free thing. And I just want to, is it down there, when you go down there, past that thing there?
What do you want?
What do you think I want?
A date?
Oh, shit, some kind of fucking faggot. I want the wallet, the cash, the credit cards, Einstein. I might just blow your guts out through your shirt for the fun of it.
With that?
Yeah, with... Ah! Help me, man! I can't see. I can't see. I can't see.
Get a dog.